So I figured what better way to text the new launch product. You know, we're in 2025 launch product with a 2025 car. So we got the 2025 Lexus, and we're gonna go in. On. So this is the main menu. I'm gonna go intelligent diagnostics here. It's gonna do everything automatically. We're gonna do diagnostics. Automatically search, and that seems about right. Okay. So we're gonna do I don't know, system scan or smart. Let's do smart detection. And okay. So no smart detection. We'll try doing a system scan. I'm still learning this guy myself here. So we're gonna go back through this. Diagnostic. We're going to do an auto search. Okay. We're going to do a system scan. So topography is great, you know. You can see what everything is. And on a brand new Lexus, you would expect no red. So, pretty sure we're gonna have no red here. Just gonna have scans. Happy. So, like most of my Toyota people, they hate the seatbelt chime. So we're gonna go to body control module. We're going to enter that, and we're going to go into special function, I believe. Customize settings. Okay. So like I said, for 2025, this thing is actually talking to the car. Warnings. We're almost there. So, driver seatbelt buzzer function is on right now. Can we set it to off? Okay. So, driver seatbelt should now be off. Passenger. Sets it off. Alright. Right rear, because that would be annoying for the rear passengers. sets off. And rear right, rear left. Okay. And we're gonna set that one to off. So now when you have stuff on the seats or just don't want to drive your seatbelt on, they should all be good. So if we go back into drivers, now it says off. Permanent like that until we, if they ever want to change it back to on. And it's really that. I mean, there's a ton of other functions, but I think the next thing to do is well, that should be it. It shouldn't chime anymore when we're driving it. Do we take it for a little ride down the road? And we could do that. Shut off our heat. Let's see if this thing actually proved itself out of no more chimes when driving down the road without a seatbelt on. So we'll leave our launch connected. It's nippy out here in Pennsylvania, guys. So I believe the car's ready to rock and roll. We're in reverse. And we'll see. I know this thing starts annoyingly chiming the moment you start getting up to speed here. So we'll see. How well does this thing actually do? And I am not hearing any more chimes. So the new launch is definitely it's already paying for itself. I mean, what would you pay a dealer for that? $150, $200? Do a few of these Toyotas, Lexuses, and you know, we're not wearing our seatbelt. Obviously the light will still blink. Hey, you gotta put your seatbelt on. But this car is dead silent. So that's pretty neat on the new launch. Like I said, for 2025, need a new launch scanner to talk to these new launch cars, up to at least free updates until 2027. And so 2027 will be, I'll probably be buying a new scanner in like 2029, because generally a lot of people don't show up with brand new cars to for me to like connect to and talk to. But we're doing good. There's no more chimes. Brand new 2025 Lexus. And this will work for a lot of other Toyotas that you want to just shut up when you're not wearing your seatbelt. So I'm pretty happy with it. I love this thing. It's so nice. It's so comfortable for a little SUV. Till next time, guys. Hopefully you got yours on Black Friday. And life is good.